just get to happen over here?
It's red. When I put it on here, it turned it on red.
When you put what on where? What happened?
When I put these two on here, it came on red. But when you put this together, it doesn't come on. When you do this, it doesn't. It comes on. It looks
Whoa!
like a light switch.
It's like a light switch, but only one of the lights can be on at one time. Why do you think that? Why do you think that's happening? That's really cool.
Because when you do that, it comes on.
Uh huh.